Hi guys, this is Daniel from F&D. In this video, we are going to see how to create hugging a video using different video generators. So let's get started. I already posted a video on how to create Instagram trending a hugging video, that is, you hug younger version of yourself. For that, you need to two images. One is the image of you as of now, and another one of your image as kid. Then you need to drop that two images in the photo P. So I'm gonna do that. Go to photo P and create new. I'm gonna select YouTube thumbnail size, create, drop those two images and place it side by side and export as JPG. Now go to Kling AI. So the link is in the description. For free users, you will get 66 credits daily. So you can make use of that. You can generate up to 6 videos using that credits. Go to Kling AI. Then you need to select AI videos. Then go to image to video and drop that image we just created in photo P. Now click on Kling AI best practices and you can see the document on how to type in the prompt. Here go to image to video and you can see different examples, and here you can see in the image to video option you have this prompt called two people hugging each other. So this is the prompt you are going to use. So you can also use two boys hugging each other. So here I'm gonna type in two people hugging each other and click on generate, and you can see the result over here, and it is not perfect. Let me add a negative prompt. You can also add negative prompt. So you can see this photo is transitioned into the hugging video, so we don't want that. So I'm gonna add a negative prompt. Scroll down and you can see the optional negative prompt. I'm gonna give transition. Again, I'm gonna generate. Also, I'm gonna change the setting to relevance. Right now, it is in center to creativity and relevance. Relevance means it will strictly follow this prompt. Let me try again. And let me drop another image as well while it is generating. So this is the image I'm going to use. So I'm going to use the same prompt, two people hugging each other, move the slider fully to relevance, and I'm going to add a negative prompt, transition. Let me click on generate, and here is the result for the previous one. So you can see the transition is avoided and you can see the two persons are hugging. So you can also add additional prompts like hugging happily to avoid the sad faces. So let me wait for this creation, and you can see the result. The result is pretty good. So you can try hugging video using Kling AI with this method. Next one, and let me show you the another website. This website is called Luma Labs Dream Machine. So I'm gonna drop the link in the description. You can go and check it out. Here you need to drop the image over here. You need to click on here. I just drop the image and I'm gonna type in the prompt. I'm gonna uncheck the enhance prompt. Let me generate, and it is starting to generate. And you can see the result over here, and it has some errors. On this hand portion, you can see it look like an alien hand, but again you can drop the same image and again generate to give your desired result. You can generate until you are satisfied. And there is also another website called runwayml.com. You can also generate hugging videos using this website. Go to runwayml.com. Try Runaway and log in with your Google account, and you will get the free credits. After that, scroll down and go to text image to video. And you can drop your image over here. Click on here and drop your image and type in the prompt. You can also add custom presets. Click on this custom presets and click on examples, and you can add different custom prompts. For example, I'm going to select slow motion and remove this. Then you can add your prompt: 2 people hugging each other. Also, I'm going to change the duration to 5 seconds. Generate. And in this 3 option, Runway ML produce a processed result. You can see it is generated in less than a minute. Let me play the video. So you have different hands over here, little bit creepy. If you didn't get your desired result, you can again generate. Click on generate. Now we can see the result.
So that's it. These are the 3 websites that we can use to create hugging videos. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.